Monkey business. Introduction of all the creatures in the animal kingdom. Humans most closely identify with monkeys. In fact, if someone says you're acting like a monkey, he or she is probably not too far off. People often stand in front of a monkey exhibit at the zoo for much longer than they stand in front of other exhibits. They are fascinated by the antics of monkeys. They laugh at them and are entertained by them, perhaps because monkeys remind people so much of themselves. Primates. Monkeys belong to a group of mammals known as primates. There are two main groups of primates, anthropoids and prosimians. Anthropoids, which are the most familiar primates, include monkeys, apes, and humans. Prosimians are less well known. The most familiar prosimian is the lemur. Primates are different from other mammals because they have fingers that are developed and a thumb that sits across from and bends toward the fingers. This thumb is called an opposable thumb. Opposable thumbs allow primates to hold tightly onto small things, giving them an advantage over other mammals. For example, many primates spend most of their lives in trees. The thumb makes it possible for the primates to grasp branches and climb more easily. Monkeys, birds, apes. Most people think that apes such as gorilla, orangutans, and chimpanzees are just big monkeys, but they are not monkeys, they are apes. Apes do not have tails, but most monkeys do. And apes are usually much more intelligent than monkeys. Apes are also larger than monkeys because most apes are heavier. They often scramble and climb along branches while monkeys can swing and jump from branch to branch. New World and Old World monkeys. Monkeys are divided into two groups based on where they live. One group is the New World monkeys, which live in Central and South America. Only monkeys, not apes or prosimians, live in the New World. The other group is Old World monkeys, which are found in Asia and Africa. Old World monkey primates include apes and prosimians, as well as monkeys. Old and New World monkeys are different in four distinct ways. One way is their noses. The nostrils of New World monkeys are split apart, but in Old World monkeys they are close together and point down like human nostrils. Another way they differ is that some newer monkeys can hold on to objects with their prehensile tails. Old world monkeys do not have this characteristic. A third way these two groups differ is in number of teeth they have. Most New World monkeys have 36 teeth, while most Old World monkeys have 32 teeth, just like humans. The fourth way they differ has to do with where they spend their time. All New World monkeys they live in trees, while many Old World monkeys spend much of their time on the ground. Monkeying around. All monkeys live together with other monkeys of their type. A group of monkeys is called a troop. Most New World monkey troops consist of fewer than 24 monkeys. Old World troops, such as troops of baboons, can number over 100 members. Some monkey troops have only one adult male, with several females and their young. Others can have many adult males. Monkeys that live on the ground have more closely knit groups. This is because there are more enemies on the ground, so the monkeys are more dependent on each other for protection. It's written, the others of the troop will join together to drive away the attacker. Monkeys have long, strong arms and legs that help them leap and swing through the trees. For those that live on the ground, long, strong arms and legs help them run fast. Monkeys also have fingers on their hands, as humans do, to help them pursue objects. Some Old World monkeys have opposable thumbs which can be used to hold and work with small objects. Some newer monkeys have partially opposable thumbs, while others have no thumbs at all, just a few fingers. Monkeys have 5 toes on each foot. Some kinds of monkeys have a big toe that is opposable and serves as a thumb, allowing the monkey to grasp objects with its feet. Young monkeys spend much of their waking time playing as all kids do. Adult monkeys spend their days searching for and eating food and grooming each other. Monkeys eat just about anything. They eat plant parts such as fruits, nuts, leaves, roots, and flowers. They also eat animals such as insects, frogs, and birds. Baboons will even attack and eat small hoofed animals, just as baby antelope. Most monkeys also eat eggs. Monkeys communicate with each other using their voices as well as body language. Some monkeys use threatening gestures such as starting, showing their teeth, and bobbing their heads back and forth. They often use their hands to communicate by beating on their chests or slapping on the ground. Monkeys use their voice to warn of danger or to signal when they have found a source of food. Some monkeys have even developed words for familiar things. For instance, instead of just general alarms call, vervet monkeys have a special call for snake, one for eagle, and another for leopard. However, how well monkeys keep other monkeys out of their territory by shouting and howling at them. Type of monkeys. There's more than 150 different kinds of monkeys. Some are very tiny, like the pygmy marmoset, which is only about as long as a new pencil, not including its tail. The largest animal monkey is the mandrill. If another mandrill stood up, it would be as tall as your kitchen counter. New word monkeys. Spider monkey. A spider monkey uses its prehensile tail like an extra hand to hang from branches and to pick things up. Unlike most other monkeys, spider monkeys have no thumbs. Marmosets are among the smallest monkeys. Most are less than 30 centimeters long. Instead of having nails of their fingers like most monkeys, they have claws. Howler monkey. Howlers are famous for their loud howl, which can be heard as far away as 3 kilometers. They are the largest of the New World monkeys and have long tails and black faces that are bearded in adult howlers. Tamarins are small monkeys, usually about 30 centimeters long. Most of them are multicolored and many have long hair on the tops of their heads. The golden lion tamarin has a mane that makes it look like a small lion.